Here are the most useless star powers in the game, and we start with Chester's Sneak Peek. This brawler is all about RNG, so knowing what your next super will be removes all of the fun. Next we got Belle's Grounded. It's only useful against brawlers with single ammo like Carl. Other than that, her shield star power is superior. Ruff's second star power is bad because you lose the extra added health when you get defeated, so there is no point in giving your randoms more HP. Hank's take cover is absolutely useless, mainly because in order to make this one work, you need to be literally hugging a wall. Strom's foot patrol isn't as valuable as his other star power. Mandy is only good with her in my sights. If you use the shield one, you are the bad random. Bonnie's wisdom tooth is terrible, and you can rarely even hit anyone, while Janet's stage view gives nowhere near the value her other star power has. And lastly, you may think the most useless star power is Sam's remote recharge, because this one makes no sense. But it is actually Dinah's jumping star power. Some people can be good with it like Mandela, but not my random.